G'day all, here we have an absolutely beautiful little miniature Stirling engine. It's made by Okmo Microcosm. It's absolutely just beautiful. I've just taken it out of the box not long ago. As you can see, it's very intricate. That mechanism is just absolutely beautiful. I'll give you some measurements on it. The base that it comes on, that's around 75 mils. The brass flywheel is around 29 mils. The width of the base that it comes on is it's about 40 mils. And the height of the engine is roughly, it's about 70 mils high. As you can see, it's just beautiful. I'll give you a little bit of a close-up. Just look how nice that is. Just imagine putting these together in the factory. Just for you a close-up of, just look at this turning. See that mechanism? How nice is that? Absolutely beautiful. Jin's doing an absolutely marvellous job with this series of Stirling engines. Absolutely gorgeous. Well done, Jin. Alrighty, how about we put some metho in and we'll start it up. Nice little burners. They're brass and they screw off. Okay, we'll get some metho. Pour some metho in. It's got a screw thread. Okay, burners in place. Okay, you can't see the flame, but there's flame coming up. Isn't that nice? Isn't that just exquisite? I made this little turntable to show it off. I stained it. It's a little bit of hardwood. Put a little bit of stain on it, and it's had some marine varnish on it. And I just think it goes really well with the brass and aluminium. Okay, that should be up close now to running. There we go. What a beauty. It really is exquisitely made. leaned over the top of the camera, blur that out, stopped again, straight away. How nice. Okay, I'll light that up once more. Just give it another second. This really is a delight to run. Absolutely beautiful. J06G from the Honeybee series of engines from Okmo and Microcosm. Blow that out again. Just give you an even closer look. Move that out of the way. There it is on my hand. You can see the size of it. Just absolutely gorgeous. Okay, as always, thanks for watching and bye for now.